Hi, Charles Moman here. Well, today I thought I'd show you a little more detail about the 12-volt refrigerator from Iceco that I'll be using. And I think I'll start by showing these first two that I've already reviewed. Thanks for watching. Well, actually, I haven't done a million reviews. I know some people, that's all they do. But I pick a few selected things that I am pretty confident that they are good quality. And so I think Iceco was probably the first company I ever reached out to. And they sent me this Go20 dual fridge freezer. It's small. We loved it. It was great to use in the van. Has an app that you can use with it. It's 2021 quarts. It's got a partition in it, and you can have it as fridge freezer or all refrigerator. It's got a fast cooling mode, an eco mode, battery protection, so you won't run your battery down, but you can choose the level of protection. Just a great little unit. It's very skimpy on its power use, and so you can run this for a long time. As a matter of fact, if you look at my channel, you'll see I did an in-depth review of this and also how long different batteries would run this. Great little unit. And then they sent me this, they call it the iCooler. And what's different about this one, it's a roto-molded. It's very thick, like some of those famous coolers like this that have thick walls that can hold ice for a long time. This one can too. But it's also a fridge or freezer, not a dual zone. This one, you either make it all fridge or all freezer, or if you know you're going to be out for a long time and you don't have power, or you're just not going to deal with that, then you could fill this up with ice and it's going to last for a long time. Both of these and the VL60D that are going to be used, that's going to be used in this van build, they all use the 5-year warranty, German-made Danfoss C-Cop compressor. Super high quality, and it's the one that you'll see in a lot of other major brands of fridge freezers, 12-volt, that cost a whole lot more. And so this is how I kind of got started with Iceco. Yeah, I'm wearing their shirt. They don't make me wear a shirt. I sometimes ask companies, if you have a shirt, send it to me, you know. And so I'm not required. I just get shirts. So look on my channel and you can find out about these. But now let's switch over to the VL60D, which is the model in this van. Well, today I wanted to talk about the VL60D, and you've seen it in a couple of the episodes. You've seen that it's going to reside there where the really nice custom slide that's made for this unit specifically, and it's going to slide in and out. There'll be a cabinet there, a kitchen cabinet there, and one here. It's going to slide out and fit perfectly there. And so with today, I'd just like to give you a few more details about it. This is one solid unit. This is meant for heavy-duty use, and especially if you're an off-road kind of person and you've got your Jeep or whatever and you're going down some trails or way out in the boonies, this will be able to take it for sure. Iceco is one of my major corporate partners, and you saw the Go20 and the iCooler, and they are great units. I actually could see us bringing the little iCooler, the little Go20 with us sometimes in certain situations where we want to take it out and in a situation, because we're definitely not going to be pulling this in and out. This thing is heavy. Let me give you some of the specifics about it, then I'll show you inside it, and you'll learn how great this unit is. They've got a wide variety of sizes and units, and just look at their website and you can see all those details. This is the 63.4 quart unit, so it's triple what that little Go20 is. It has the same 5-year warranty C-Cop Danfoss compressor, German-made. Very high quality, and you see that in all the other really good units that are out there. But I think you'll find that with the Iceco you get the same quality but at probably a better price. It's a dual zone, so you can have one side as a fridge, one side as a freezer, or you can have it all fridge or all freezer, or you could even just have, say, the refrigerator on a trip and turn one side off to save energy, so it'll cut down on the power that it uses. Here are the specs about size and weight. It's 65.7 pounds. This is heavy. I would have it inside the van right now, but I'm by myself right at the moment, and I'm not going to pick that up. Once this goes in, it stays in. We've taken it in and out as we're working on this, but 65.7 pounds. So this is serious. This means business, that's for sure. It's 31.2 by 19.4 and 18.8. And when the compressor's running, it uses an average of 60 to 65 watts. But remember, this thing is well insulated, and so that does not mean continuous by any means. And that's why when I ran tests on the Go20, it was amazing how long you could run it with even a small lithium battery. and this will be very efficient too. It's not running all the time. Now if you open it up all the time, that's going to make a big difference, but that's what they say the average use is. It can go from 0 to 50 degrees, AC or DC. It comes with the cord to plug it into your cigarette lighter or into a lithium battery like my Ecoflows, and it's also got an AC cord. So when we're using this, when we're driving, I will have this plugged into the 12-volt plug cigarette port in the van, not one of my lithiums. I save those. And then when we stop somewhere, hiking, shopping, whatever, then I would pull out one of my Ecoflows and plug it in. I actually have it wired here with a 12-volt port, and I can just turn a unit on in the back and plug it in, and we're good to go. When we are on shore power at a campground, then I will definitely use the AC cord and not use the batteries. I could, but there will really be no reason to. So I have those options, and then it has these great straps that I use with the slide back here and to hold it down. That will be bolted down into the floor, very safe, and into the wall as well. So it won't be going anywhere if I have to do fast stops. Very heavy duty cover, zipper cover, and there's one for that Go20 as well. And it has the venting so that you can make sure that it's getting the air moving, so that compressor, because all refrigerator freezers need space around them. They need to breathe, so that compressor, you don't overheat that. So it's a great case, and it's an optional item just like the slide is. But in the summertime, I think it could be a really, really good idea just to help insulate it more. Well, this is one heavy-duty unit. You could sit on this for sure. It's got really nice, heavy, solid latches. Let me open it up here. It's got these baskets on both sides. Now this side has a little less room because the compressor is here, so we've got a little less room on this side. But then we've got a very deep section here. Easily drop in a couple of gallon containers. We use typically like quarts of almond milk or soy milk, so I mean we could put like 6 of them in there. So we're going to be able to hold a lot of food. Again, they have a chart here that what the recommended temperatures are for food, but you should already know that kind of stuff. It's got some more details about it. Let me get the camera and I'll show you the panel down here. But you can hold a lot in here, and if you don't open it up all the time, you'll be amazed how long a lithium battery can run this. Solid unit. And last, I want to show you this nice simple control panel. This is where you set your temperatures. This is where you see the temperatures that you've got, the voltage being used. And then you can set your level of battery protection. They've got 3 levels, and that's especially important with some lithium batteries. My Ecoflows are voltage regulated. And so no matter how far they go down in capacity, they will keep running a 12-volt fridge like this. But some lithiums are not voltage regulated, so you could set this to make that not an issue. That you'll just kind of have to find out for yourself, but why worry about it? Get an Ecoflow and you will be fine. So simple panel, and it does what you need. Well, there you go. There's kind of a quick look at the VL60D, and thanks to Iceco for being a partner in this van build. And it's definitely going to get a lot of use, and it's so nice having the perfect place for it, and it's going to be handy. And we're going to be set for all the big trips that we have planned. Thanks for watching.